Genesis, the baddest. Also, and I went to Jimmy. So, I know you're easy. You're wow. I know you're easy. You're wow. I know you're easy. You're big boss. I know you're easy. Who were your big? Okay, my let's do. Buy your kuwa. I know you're easy. Kuwa we am coming. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Okay, don't let it see. We up your bill, we on your wow, we up your me, we on you there. We up your me, we on your wow, we on you there. Mama, I hear your fan, I up your me. Mama, I hear your fan, I up your me. Unege church, unage babo kunis. Eri yani ramos rekoko, oye ya dinazab. Ramos we me Manuel. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Who were your big? Okay, my let's do. Buy your kuwa. I know you're easy. Why we am coming? I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Okay, don't let it see. He get bestie, your bestie get bestie, my bestie get bestie. Oh, it ain't going to life no be yam, Ogogoro no be Coca-Cola. I waiting man no go see, waiting Baba see, brother, waiting Baba see, Baba Biera. If you tell your bestie secret, I beg you my bestie, not tell anybody. You forget say, your bestie get bestie, that bestie, he get another bestie. Now so they go the bestie, before you know everywhere don't bust. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Why? Okay, my let's go. Oh, na na na. I know you're easy. I tell you. DJ out of 4
on the mix.
Share this video. Listen to it. Atrocity.
DJ out of 4.
My people, I greet you now better style. When I share this video, it's going to be bomb blast. Eddie Murphy is going to be exposed today again. Not just Eddie Murphy, alongside with Emily Ogbe, the wife. Not just only Emily Ogbe, the squad, the friends of Eddie Murphy and wife. The only person where he removed for this atrocity Eddie Murphy did on Sunday is Enogie. Is what? Enogie. A Richard Noyo Sadiaye. I go see talk with him. Enogie do. Enogie try. Yes. Truth not say me they not talk. Forget say me Enogie with the quarrel will not be friend. What the person do good, I go talk him. Even though I dey saga that person. If he do good thing, I will tell her say, what you do so you do and well. I not fit use out of hatred until the judge person. Say because I hate this person, me and this person they quarrel. Me I cause say because me and this person they quarrel. Anything where the person do it good, I cause it a bad. Automatically now me be the bad person. On Sunday party where the Murphy go with his wife. Enogie try. Enogie try for that party. Yes. But Eddie Murphy the things where the Murphy do. The thief where the Murphy thief. The wife of Eddie Murphy, the thief where thief. The friend of Eddie Murphy wife, the thief where all the thief. All those one. I never want to build a picture comments. And I never want to mention a name. I have all you people pictures, I have your videos. That party where be say me about when this man was invited. I was invited in that party. You get the way I do my thing. You understand? I never get documents. Anything where I take support that person, I go use and support them. And I so much thank God for my friends all over the world. Friends, lovers that love me genuinely. I never come up with one they call the praise the whole live video. You understand? These are my indoor friends that knows me, that believe in me. That if I call now for Nigeria, say I get party for social place, they will stand with me for there 247. You understand? Now so it still be for Europe. Now God, now grace. You understand? But before I go start to play audio, they play everything. May first of all play music first. So when I share this video, when I hear with him play. Because I never want to go into far details about
on the mix.
DJ. Wanna share this video because I'll call my friends now. Wanna share this video. This video I'll call my friends. Still get one audio. We see my guy never said for me. You get one video. We see my guy say one said for me now. I don't want to see the wait. So before you send me the audio, the video, let me play music. So guys, share this video. Let's go there.
Mama, Nigga, bring it to my car. I make you make better way. Why you bring it to one? Oh, Sango, one over. I'm being a Kata, Papa. I bet you funny. No, Popima. Or better, Hunisa. No, Logima. You walk better way. Or better, Hunisa. Turn your bay, turn your that way.
Who they call my phone? Che, I'll talk my bros. You really want to go what to do, or what can you damage if you, or what damage you? Apa no? Ibu mi walao na gawe na gba. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I think we me. We have been we had. We have men we want die 5. We imagine there. So here I'm married to Jesus. Ele já gamma me Jesus. Kere no. Ele hoje. Kere no. Aggressive bros. Shake it on. Shake it on. We are true now. We will not. You should have aggressive. Well. Okay, bros. Aggressive. Dama. Am you be? Yeah. Okay, bros. What? Alright, guys, share this video. Let's go there. Share the video there. Share the video.
No cooperame, e tegite, onario blubo. Okay, blubo. Orisubo, rodao, onamudini. Aona legae, ona kumudi de yuje. Ona no kopijeme, oriaga, ona tota hibae. Eke no tota hibae. Imosi geduna ya erwe. No popomeo, orie, oh my yoni.
Well, I can't listen.
Oh, piano, no.
If I like to take me over,
oh, again, better. I said, nigga, better, better. I make you make better way. Oh, moon talking. Oh, caca, talking. Oh, young talking. Oh, talking. Oh, love talking.
Alright, my lovely people, I greet you all with better style water right there. Yes. Let me remove my eyeglass from my eye. So make an eye where you so me to bow going on your go. About start. Okay, I share video now. Sharp. Let me see if the video don't come. The video is loading. It's loading. So my people, I greet all of you now, better start here at all. Not be saga. Anyhow, no one take on. In every nonsense, there's always a sense. Please, guys, if you are watching this video, please share this video. Share the video as they hot the ball. Don't play. Share the video. 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 Share the fucking niggas video. You know what I'm saying? Share the video, nigga. I'll saka no do no. I will sakpo. Now, there was a lady that did a birthday. Lady Young Afro Shop who lives in Germany. And she invited me to her birthday party long time ago. Close to 4 months now. What she invited me early this year now. Now she invites me for the party. And I don't say I don't get that comment. I don't think go Germany, go party for Germany. I want to look at people I know what to do. You understand? First, I first surprise her. She don't ask me, oh. She don't ask me. She don't pay me, oh. I do birthday gift for her in the sense that I do awareness. I create awareness for the birthday party for them. Before the party, I do video. I send message to Lady Young Afro Shop. Say I want saga her. Now watch the video where I do them. Say I want saga this woman. You don't say, you know, people pack you know, just to create awareness for her because of her birthday party. You understand? Because I'm not gonna date there. That person where I know long time. Sure. So I can't really do the birthday party. I can't do form of comedy. Say the Murphy go come, you know, go date there. Me myself I go date there. You understand? Many people think it's a joke. The only joke with this I be say I not really go, but my friends go. You understand? The only joke with them be say me particularly not really go the party, but my friends they go represent me normally. You feel me so? Which now code? I don't want to say the Murphy call a video there. Can't go the saga there for live video. You understand? So I always say, Mona go there, any I be Mona let me know. You understand? Now see if just to do small video for me to prove for me to know say I really go. But bro, what happen there? Now another scenario that happen for the party. Another scenario that happen for the woman party. This is the Murphy with his wife and in squad. The squad of his wife can come. They scatter the party. And the Murphy fight stupid. And the Murphy drink stupid. Scatter the party. And the Murphy scatter the party to take this gas, make the for thief. I have the video. You understand? Where Eddie Murphy come they follow one woman they fight. Now my people, please share this video. Let's go straight to the reason why we are here today. I am here to tell you now what happened Saturday stroke Sunday for the party. What happened was this woman want to do party, oh, Lady Young, for Germany. It was a massive party. That party, a lot of people were invited. Then, Eddie Murphy and wife came. I was just watching the party from Saturday. They come. Starting from Eddie Murphy video. Where Eddie Murphy do. I'm gonna share this video. I'm going to be a first share myself. The video where Eddie Murphy do for on Saturday, he with his wife. I go tell you now. I will show you the video. And what Eddie Murphy do for there. He with his wife do for there. What conspire for there. He did it. I go show you this is the video. And what Eddie Murphy do for there. He with his wife do for there. What conspire for there. He did it. I go show you this is the video. And what Eddie Murphy do Eddie Murphy why ara? What a shame. 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 This is a big shame. This is a big shame. Please guys share this video. No, share this video. If I all look some people, I all laugh. If that way really enter abroad, not go do waiting at the Murphy go do for party. If that no they camp. If that way they camp, not go do what this man do for that woman party. Or no way party, you know Becky party your boy. The Murphy boy can. When I call this no. Franco Moswell wants to expose person again. Franco Moswell, I will do expose it. Wow, I don't damn it. How you to you again? Franca Mazua. If you do that on Friday, I mean on Saturday, where Eddie Murphy was in their party. Make I play Eddie Murphy video. I go play no get video. We no get do video on Sunday. Eddie Murphy do video on Saturday. Where is Orion Bar video? This my phone is hot. This phone they really hot. Big time.
Il de nous amants. Prince Obama il y a des vidéos nous là dedans. Pour moi ma guaco pour avoir mot.
Continue with this phone. Phone is hot. With this. Hello, my sister. Hello, you did live video. Are speaker? Alright, ciao ciao. My people wanna call list, you know. My phone is misbehave and saying they misbehave. If you need to cool down, if you mind made the phone on yourself. I don't know when I don't off this phone, Rich. I need to off her now. If you're not here, I'm going to be chief, be chief first. Be chief first. I don't know, Maggie, I will not book me, mom. I don't know, Maggie, I will not love him. The Saloba no boo, who does he no boo? Where's he, Baba, who not get his of a young man? Where's he, Baba, who give a week, who not get his
and then empty a machine. Oh, Guillaume. Anybody not really go where you know ya go on market video, material video. And my Jemeu La Woo Oko Wawa Magbaguinia aware a Navitalo or Big Birane. Yes, Ugele Doto Manila video of Propano where Wawa Badu.
My people agree to know better style. You are to right here. But let's go to the book.
Ero, who the tower? Ewoneka. Ero. Maybe when none yet there, always you wear a live video. Do tower.
Advertiser delights when I do well. This shop.
Give me gualo. Ukpo we no. You have a ladian where give me gualo because maybe as a tawu amari another more ladian. Maybe I'm a tawu aye. You know why you know. Oh, a procedure lily. I come with picture ladian. With your way. So he may where.
When I see this video where they do so,
then I'm where
let me explain this place where the buffet do so. This place where the buffet do so. Now Lady Yo house.
Guess on a phone.
Lady Yo house. Now at the Murphy and wife, they did it down. This video where the Murphy do so. If I go further for this video, then go see the MC where anchor the program. And the Murphy boy where anchor the program. We go see on there. Then they wash meat there. They'll see everything for the video. Where they want to wash meat, they want to cook meat. And the Murphy thief meat for you. And the Murphy with his wife, he thief meat for you. You understand? When they reach the time for them to carry meat, they off this live video. You understand? And the go off live video. That one on one side. The proof where I get, the real proof where I get, they wait for phone. If they load, if they don't finish, I go play some for them. It gets where I go play for them. I want the both come out on live video, come debunk and the I go bust up for her, I go post up for her. Where the both and the wife for the thief gifts. Whatever the thief, whatever for boss enter palliative room, they pack palliative. Put for side bottle with his squad where park come. His husband they fight for outside. He don't say it. Now my people, with me I still play this video. Let's go there. The Murphy, come here. Where are you going to? They play your video, they come out.
Video. Ogo Marije. Ne beni de yare. Ugele.
Life when they do this video. See. You see, they fry the meats. When they watch, when I share this video, when I invited the Murphy and Emily Ogbe, they sit down and they listen. When the advert finish first, and the advert they come out, they enter the page.
Epa.
See.
The women, so we are here. We put up my invite wow. Lady Young or invite wow.
Okay.
On wala on wa green areva. On wala on wa green areva. Yeah, be kuto boy na kina. Your way MC back way.
Oema City.
Yes.
I work with the Kazi here. Omaregbeva.
Yeah, you
are lying.
Oh, you my lie. Go women were this about 10 minutes.
Omaregbe.
Omaregbe.
Kazi na vete na ho.
Begay.
Wagaya vera go vete na ho.
Wagaya go.
Eri wase.
Ma ye do ya fe wagaya go. Tomorrow is a big day party. Birthday party.
When they were doing this
birthday party.
Something is on we a hall.
We have a channel.
We have a video. I think we are the day are ho.
we have a video. The woman not did there. The video not did there.
We can car Bobo Kenny. Yeah. I tell me I have a hall. But
Yeah,
let me say, come on, it's 10 minutes straight or 5 minutes straight. Okay.
Right? According to their conversation, the woman party, lady, or not the but Eddie Murphy
is very friends are where we shall. They did. Me na wa me kunya yin.
Murphy chop meat.
Ina wa me ko we yin.
Me no you na ekpo.
E wo kan e ti ile ti a. Me ni me. O de bo ti na we Epa we ni la wo wo ya ni ga bo gbe ra me. E bi no ba. Ye kan ti are ba o bi ere location ni. Ye kan we na we o pe na ti o we yin so ni are na ti no pe wo my sister.
My friends will go.
You met where you me ti asase kwa ki we re.
My friends will go the party. The video when the Murphy the fights. You understand? They come at the Murphy the fights. As the Murphy come, the one where reach there. That was say the Murphy come meet up for the party. As the wife come down, bam. Waiting cause fights. That people.
What's the what part of the hall now, be? When I we must have him land in the hall.
How if I am fear of a killer, we get to my mother.
I said that's the matter. Whatever social media president, social media. Era merina.
Ibarema. Merima na adeu.
Maro baba. No wala. Any calling any vera ni no kinoji.
We did calling any vera, you know kinoji. Vera no dey aso. Vera no dey aso.
Look there it already. Okay, you me party wa ho.
I don't get it.
I go still play the party. Now I don't get do life for the party.
I don't give me party. I go the party no. On the 25 of the party.
Azo.
25, yeah.
25 na party woman I'm of $1 party na.
No one or party with them.
Yeah.
The party B&B. Oh, they were. They all think B&B.
No, this government now. No, the woman of $1 is yeah. No, for 34 years anniversary.
The party that we here, we are going to now, my people agree to now with better style. What's it happen? Eddie Murphy come the party. As Eddie Murphy land party, my people, he come meet IK in the Izena, chief in the Izena of Benin Kingdom. IK in the Izena, the IK, the popular IK, will you all know on this social media where Eddie Murphy saga say, dog, they sleep with dog. Hello, are you people hearing me? Lady Young invite friends and well wishers to everybody to this to our birthday party. Which Ake was invited, Timaya was invited, a lot of dignity people were invited on that party. Unfortunately, Eddie Murphy and wife and his squad plus Enogi, when they came to that party, they met Ike with Ike girlfriend or lady friend. Where Ike the friend now. Oh, but not be smart, yo. That's why Eddie Murphy started to follow the woman they fight. Eddie Murphy was fighting with woman, which is the woman we follow Ike fast. He messed them up. Now a party they go on for inside hall. If you now watch that hall, the people that was inside that hall don't reach 30. Another party they outside, another one they inside hall. Everybody where they outside call the base cook, they call the run for Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy don't drink. Eddie Murphy enter state the same way you're supposed to buy person for the party. To the extent Eddie Murphy started to insult Lady Young. No good Lady Young. They carry cost, they cost Lady Young for us. Lady Young don't know what they happen. That one they inside party. It is hall, they dance for inside hall. Eddie Murphy with his wife called the Rick. The whole Ake wife. Ake and his squad where they carry them Timaya. All those who are time to the run. They come for the party. Person where do party, she don't see. Eddie Murphy. As Eddie Murphy call the fight, his wife is okay with his squad we carry come. They start the pack food, they start boots. The woman where the room where the woman prepare where pack things put. That's why it's okay. Bust enter the hall. They open the door. Oh yeah. People begin to loot things. The gift where the woman want pack, they do give away, give people. What do they call them? What do they call those gifts? My friends, they say blender, packet of blender, set of blender. What do they blend something? Say set of blender, broken plates. That's why it's okay. You chairs, they pack them. You do carry five. They load time for boot. Eddie Murphy come enter inside house, go sit down. Enogi that's one dead Eddie Murphy. My friend say, he surprised you. The way Enogi cut the whole Eddie Murphy, Epa beg. Enogi, that called the beg Eddie. He say everybody bask. Nobody agree with Eddie Murphy apart from Enogi. Epa, who we are there quick goddaughter. And mind you, Lady Young is the goddaughter of Eddie Murphy. The mommy is there. If not, my friend will come diagnose everything for me. Say, Lady Young, that Eddie Murphy goddaughter. Me no know. And no gina come tell Eddie Murphy say, "Pa we are there with the goddaughter. Who we are there with the Vera. Go be Vera. Vera so kwa. Go be Vera. Ya gbo. Ikwa gbo na rien. Oh boy, make I play video. My friend say, my friend they work on the video them. He video everything will happen. Also very record there. He video there on code. This is how they talk, so people begin to run for their dear life. Me ogbalegbe no come they control them. That's why everybody call it shift. Everybody call it shift. Inside party, inside hall empty. Make I first play a no get video where a no get do for inside her. After I don't hold the Murphy, and the Murphy don't rest. Carry the Murphy go for her table. They call it the Murphy come her table. A no get with the Murphy plus the wisdom man. They can go sit down for her table. You know, after your her table, why they want to do that with her? Because shit the video. Because I did watch a no get video that day. And the Murphy excuse face for her. Be like shit. I want man. One man. The man where the Murphy be on.
Hello. Don't know why they.
The man they happy.
I don't know why they. What a video now.
I do. Yeah. Then I will relax. I go must the sound because of copyrights. See, when see, here suka you who we don't say you. Can glasses small picky? Glasses mu yao. I the more few. Oh, you don't far. You don't you body feel. This time around, you don't fight. You don't fight finish now. Before a no you config that data enter inside her. Your own goddaughter party. My friends now. You say I see your con. You can see here you don't get sit down for high table. Instead of your stand. You just look inside the house. More you say no level. Epa. You matter you must spray. You work way akba. You marry by you must spray because you work the Murphy what's your move. Na Ghana also for your move. See no level here. Let the Murphy do the akwe woman you are. My brother, I don't spray one around. That's why I mean nobody say I call the lie like to do the video. Come for me, make I see and see. That woman party, you don't lie me, that will not get one error. Say the woman be ready where see me if you see her. If you see her. But if you see the whore and not be here. The way people be dead turn up for the woman, and the Murphy don't let people screw for the woman. And the Murphy don't let people even enter inside her. The Murphy stay outside the fight. They chase crowd. When they call the woman inside party. He says, so my brother, I don't get what I go fit do. Because normally I supposed to go meet the woman, spray and let her know say me, na me. Then they call represent. So because of the way the Murphy takes scatter everywhere, fights scatter everywhere. So he don't get any alternative that to go back. He say, but all those things waiting that the Murphy with his wife can't do are very, very bad thing. He don't even know say I said the Murphy they make man for live video. And the Murphy go see the thief. You see, as we talk now, that woman don't know. See the Murphy with his wife loot things from inside his storeroom. And the Murphy with his wife, they loot things. They pack blender, food, meat. Load for inside motor. He say, oh, carry 5-5, carry 5-5. For Vera birthday on Sunday. I want to tell the Murphy, we squad, okay? He say even know some of the girls. And God so punished them. They did this video with me. My guy. I don't even want to love your name. I don't guess you know what they work. I don't guess the all those of us are big guess. If they don't return those things, I'm going to bring their picture comment. I don't believe you. Area which you don't believe live video now. What time? Yes. Why on the saga and they bloody? Eh? And the Murphy make why I go you working. Only a problem. I find also the thief. Okay. You understand? Yo, me and your kiss. I was set to work. My argument went back to back before. You see all those your wife squad. All those avec on you never see go back the man. You do have more letter cool. You do a ra. Ojini ara could be a girl. Magni a buy like it's go down like Jemmy. Nia you keep on with. But where is a dinner? You guys a sad guy as ow. Frankie me na na pogbe. But me guys a dinner. Irasa guy yang be. Ye meshenia. For a reason. Eddie Murphy Or who will have to le bled d'avion? Couille boot. Jesus. Jesus. Et no guy. Et no guy quand de hoe di Murphy. I see her I dread. They can play some audio. Make audio so. Me a fait play. Me a fait forward down. Go weird for the spray. Or you don't get any car forward down. You don't get any game. Many of you don't watch that video where you don't get at the party of Sunday. Watch it. At the party of Sunday. You go here, boy. You want to talk about this? I know you are. You quick go not again. Ah, God, waiting. I be moving. I don't want me the sound they play. I don't want me the sound play. Don't give me copyrights. The movie where you feel the movie now fee €40 and $40. $40. Now the movie spray. See, I don't get the life. See, you with the movie now. They will go spray us now. And the movie spray $40. $40. You gonna see me at the CV cool. Me at your club. You gonna see me at money see your table and one. The movie that you spray $40. You know, no more. Hey. Or we on social media president. Hey, Wutie. Oh, your batie, guy. Go your ba. Go by Arabiku. Wait for what day. See there, DJ Wisdom man. See how DJ Wisdom man did there. You know Gyaruba. Sir. I know Gyaruba be that one. I spray go. Did you wisdom my video here? Now they say I'm gonna share the video, I'm gonna cause you. And the muffin no yebo yebo, yeah we don't watch you. Hey, oh my God. The muffin ara. The muffin no do honor the raviku. Hey God, Jesus, Jesus. Yeah, when they want go spray, you know we don't change $. The movie don't change $. They want go spray now. Cause see where the movie they spray $40. That's €30. I don't die. I don't buy on the social media. Eddie. $40. Isso que não há do ele vai viodulo akuye moto ba só não base uma na mi wanera my people because the music you get copyright, make me mute am. I mute am. But I watch the display. See and see the woman. That woman that's check that woman so. See the Murphy. At $40 your spray. You work car. You work car $1 no why $40 one no work ba. You no give feel like what now my people, this was how the tea spray. Now let's go to the fight. What happened outside? Let's go to what happened outside, my people. When I come here. Why they will get swagbe? Why share this video? Why they will get swagbe? Odolebu. 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 But both of the officials are lie. Now the grand with this. And the event with this. The outside. This is the outside. You understand? This is the outside. When my guys land, they come to take pictures, you know. And the ground with this. When they snap. Okay, now let's go straight to the basketballs. Now fight don't happen. The guy he said not quick start of the video. You understand? He said not quick start of the video. Because what's the happen? What's the happen? Why this man call the fight? Say because now small argument, so argument, so the thing start. He not quick start of the video. Now when the man they close the woman, the man they follow the woman, they go ground. Now because this one not pass, be careful. How you go to follow woman they fight for Dutchland? Before they go call police now. Police will go now, they control everybody with the scenario. Obama if I get proof, then start the video. Oh yeah. Let's go straight to the video first. Now 2 videos do. Oh, listen to this one. This video will do so. This video will do so because he face them. You can carry phone face ground like say the video ground. Because ground is mostly the video. So that this voice will go to hear the voice. Now mostly na ground the video. You understand? Now ground my guy video. But the voice, oh they hear the voice. He flash the small, carry the camera, go down for not the observe say in the video. Because they observe everywhere they use for the video, the scenario, what they happen. Okay. So that what's happening now. Okay, let's go. Listen to what they talk. They don't get say, Epa we are here this ladyjtvshow. The wife can say, over here no. The wife can say over here no. Here must by Kunare. You understand? That is all those people that they fight so much come up for this party. You understand? They don't get that whole Epa. They tell Epa say, Epa we are here with ladyjtvshow. His wife now they back his husband upside over here no. See I must by Kunare. Well, you listen though. They panic me now. What will be the problem now? This one they argue now about clothes. Your yak but not there, you're going to area. But now I don't know what it costs for that clothes, but how if you hear so can they talk, so every look big. Now they hear every look big voice. No other person get that voice apart from every look big. You understand? Now every look big, I get that voice. I will double that, but we call it every look big. I say me la way, be like, who is this? Now go hear a voice on the background. Now automatically to tell you say the woman now they don't culture because of clothes. In the free bites. So we never know what see happen for the clothes matter. Because we don't say definitely if I call it the yo, I don't say don't go answer because you know one fight, no one maybe you don't want to be the both call the saga around. Because that me all know that one. That's why I never put out to call us. My friend you give me updates. Same as the party where they go or so they see what it play, Now so can be I cure that one yesterday before I can cure the both today. You understand? So when they play the video now, 2 videos that is sent for me. We'll continue to play the video. What are they here? It don't cause the person will get the party this cause general. Yes, et donc les lettres ne sont pas là, petit parti so vera wak be vera kia o gogbe a general ogbe you don't na young brother they call so who they do party they say party they dance for say party If that is where it come, now Eddie Murphy attack for our side. No, they like me now. Eddie Murphy they follow if that is they fight for our side. They never let us say, now you go to the party, now you do, now you they follow people they fight. So he say, Vera go be Vera, ayala bogi Vera, Vera, ayala bogi Vera. You understand? It don't paru. Now how you make me there, yes, okay, yeah, me there, whatever. Well, so madam, we don't want you. That's why you're that. Who does he? Oh. See, the one I want. Second one. And when the fight sets, now my guys, they call the one corner of my guy. Call the observe. They see the way the Murphy they display. Because of waiting. Because of IK in the Izena. I mean IK in the Izena. That's matter will bring up social media. What we say adulterous issue. Where the woman can go they commit adulterous in the husband house. Adulterous come buy pikin. Without know her. Where they come pay the Murphy off. And the Murphy come keep quiet. The Murphy come judge the woman called the saga IK. And the Murphy leave who commit adulterous called the saga the man will sleep with the woman with the husband house. That same case. That does still console. Bam. Alright, my people. Breaking news. Eddie Murphy, this is me. Baba will describe me. Your next me, I'll continue to haunt you. Yesterday, my people, I brought out a woman who committed adulterous, who used JLK to go sleep with man and use train to go ass for Munich. This thing happened for ACM, my people. No any other person but FA Jennifer Agbogun, the senior daughter of Sandra Agbogun. Now, my people, this issue don't there at the Murphy table for months now. At the Murphy don't come out and talk. We don't know why. Guys, ask why. I want to see why in the comment section. Why Eddie Murphy don't come out and talk this before I raised this matter issue yesterday? Eddie Murphy, you get all this audio for your phone. You didn't come out to speak it. Why? I will tell you guys why. I go tell you now why. Now me now, Baba with this man. Baba with this man. Amazua. Let me see the right why.
Baba with this man.
Okay, let's see why. I don't see why. Okay, this one say no friend for saga. He said, but people they lie for Epa. I cannot come that party. You lie. You lie. You said the Murphy not for the party. Why you decrease? Thank God I don't see this. I don't see this comment. I will not block you. If you say I could see the comment, I will block you. Because I don't see before you write this comment now. I never played the audio. And because I never played the audio, you confess the lie. You see your life? Okay, so I can't play the audio the way party the fight to call. What you can play? What you can play? As I can't play the like, I mean you deaf, you don't hear the word. You don't say until the cause problem. Or I go see where to maybe by now maybe you will write this comment now, you don't go to the party. Thank God say I don't get it there. I don't get it. Man, can do get the better. Wow. A dog can never join and can never beat his father. Huh? He can never beat his father. A dog wants to join his father because of his marriage that is coming. I'm not sure. You hear a dog voice, Abi? You hear his voice, yes, both voice. You don't fight, Abi? Okay. Now let's go further. I don't see coming for this side. That's why they're coming for this side. He say infinity power. Ogun na go kill Epa. Ogun na go kill Eddie Murphy. Ogun bad na go kill Eddie Murphy. Ogun bad na go kill you with that kind of statement. Before I go block me, I for use Ogun kill you and Eddie Murphy. But bola when Eddie Murphy, but Eddie Murphy asu. You Kellogg said not the see comment for this side. When Eddie Murphy asu, Eddie Murphy no yebo. Yeah, do me la movie party. Do a blender view. Ordinary blender. We don't reach to 150, 150 euro. Now Eddie Murphy with we go tea for party. You know, do a blender. Don't worry. Until they go drag all the rest guests come out. Drag their picture come out. Drag their name come out. All those women will carry 5 take away. 5 take away. All the meat where the woman cook, they pack everything. That's it. He said he what's in the empty about the brew. Where's the Murphy? The Murphy will carry la way. Yeah, la way. What the Murphy la way? We want to storeroom near via you. Or in a boss palliative. Or in a boss palliative. Meaning you have video where you see the villa. The woman by the guy. The woman agbe wiku. Even the woman via you. Nobody decompose video. They were just thieves. They were just misbehaving. Okay, guys, just look and say, man, which kind of party be this one? For not the woman just arrange the party, they scatter everything for the woman. And I say, really? Say yes. I say, no shaking. God bless you. Give me proof. Give me proof. Let me use to fire there down. They will collect what of my hand. Okay, yeah, bye. Elle est dion. Il faut que disgoagua Epa. Okay. Yes. Anyway, I celebrate you. Il y a disgoagua when the Yarawa. What the way Yarawa? But on the way Yagua, oh, every look me. Every look go. Epa. Ohuoba. Wow. Every look go. You Ebila. Now, Eddie Murphy. Why Eddie Murphy don't bring this matter come out of Jennifer Agbogu? It is because Eddie Murphy charged them to silence this matter with a sum of 10,500 euros. Eddie Murphy charged this man, Obiakbo Fred, he charged Fred 10,500 euros. Fred begged and plead with him. Make you know carry the matter come out. Because of Fred, elder brother we did for government house. We be that one. Now the Buffy they shot yesterday. And the Buffy was expecting that money. So if they bring the money come, the matter go die like that. If by itself will go carry the motor for the guy hands. When I see Eddie Murphy. When I see Eddie Murphy life, he charged 10,500 euros for you to close mouth. Now, according to the thing we told yesterday, Eddie Murphy, you said the guy said don't spend 4,000 euros for GLK. Motor where person drive call your house, come fuck you, leave motor for you. How you pay spend 4,000 euros for inside? That push call your house. That tow call your house. That's the question. Now play. Eddie Murphy, you can't change the narrative. You can't change the narrative. You are a criminal. You and Osaro is a criminal. Wa Osaro e ojiwari. Osaro la we show this year. No we kwori no wodo. No you show ya we kwori no wodo. Ojiwari. Ojiwari. ACA people we get husband for house. We get wife for house. Make could not go Osaro show. Wa ga gi show Osaro awu. Osaro okwodoro wodo hu. Okwodoro wodo Osaro we see. Kiye ka go bukaga. Amaruji. Amaruji. Oh, ouais, tu veux, isokeno hoa. Udogi sokena. Isokena woko saro. Isokena woko di bofiya e vai soke. Iya hoa. Isokena woko saro. Lo jebu. Lo deba da foera. Asu. Let's go there. Let me bring their picture come out. To be a festival. Be a festival. You get why? Be a festival. Kasi aye. You get why? Adulterous woman must stop. But people, I greet you now better style. Sandra Agbogu history. and the family history will be coming up this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet all of you of better style. The history of Sandra Agbogu and his family will be coming out this evening. Sandra Agbogu, Mama, her history will be coming out this evening. I've done a video several times about these adulterous issues. I have talked to a lot of men about adulterous women. I have advised my fellow Benin men on to look well before getting married to a woman. You guys think I am joking. I've advised men to look very well, to ask questions before getting married to a woman, especially a Benin woman. Before you marry any Benin woman for abroad, go ask questions, go verify for their family background first. Who the mother be, who the father be. It's very important. It's very, very important. I'm going to narrate the story of Sandra Agbogu Papa and Mama today for media. How Sandra Agbogu Papa take by, would I go here? Where take by, would I go here? You understand? The things that conspire to that man. Where how that man stage day? What stage was he before he by? Would I go here? What happened? What brought him to that stage? Would I go here? Where they were living before? Would I go hear the story this evening? Don't play for Baba with his my talk show. Oh, second we'll do. Oh, right, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Oh, Eddie Buffy, whatever you are doing, Labu. Eddie, Ojemi la takpara palo gyoji. Oje Pale TV. Eddie Buffy no ya do blender book ye kisoke. Isoke no ye blender. Wawe woo. Wọ́n rí iṣẹ́ lájú ẹgbẹ́ o. Ìgbín ilé kọ́ ìná. Wọ́n rí iṣẹ́ lájú ẹgbẹ́. Ìgbín ilé kọ́ ìná. Náà gbé blender bu. Blender na ya blend na ya lẹ́yìn lálẹ́ tomato sí. Ẹ sọ̀kẹ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ dìbò fi ya dùbù ikú. Ẹ dìbò fi ya ibi kọ̀ọ̀yẹ́ ìrà. Wọ́n lọ́sọ̀ agbólíyì. Na wọ́n ká bẹ́ẹ̀ kí náà lọ́tẹ̀ blender na jẹ́ wíṣítọ̀rọ̀. Na wọ́n ká bẹ́ẹ̀ kí náà lọ́tẹ̀ blender na jẹ́ wíṣítọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ dìbò fi. Ola ya do blender bu. Wo wíṣítọ̀rọ̀. Ojoga gboe. Ojoga gbisoke. Ojoga gbebilogbe. Ebilogbe lo hohoa. Uda ya uploute. A blender. Wo wíṣítọ̀rọ̀. Ona ya do le palativio. Una dwebilabu. Ebilaga gboe. Ebilaga gboe di bofi. Ebilaga gboe soke. Isoke to asu. Isoke to asu. Isoke to asu. Ebilaga gboe. Obi eli wa asu. Obi eli lo do bilabu. Obi eli lo do bledabu. Uga su wo de roa. Uga su wo de roa. Isoke bila gboe. O jebila. Wawe. Woo. Na miarula. Babu Wado, I will double was over here. Oh, Jebila part 1 or 2. Oh, Jebila part 1 or 2. Hehehe, always setting it, yeah. Oh, Jebila part 1 or 2. Oh, right over. Oh, Jebila part 1 or 2. Oh, wonderful. Wonder. Oh, j'aime la part 1 or 2. Oh, j'aime la part 1 or 2. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after that journey in a young content creator, I am going to play a video of a woman where, what's it they call that girl? Mama. The video waiting reply Mama for this social media. You're starting this saga when they go up between Mama and Mama. You know, say I play with a video of Mama will go to record person Papa grave for Nigeria. So the stage where the Mama go for Nigeria, or because he gets Monica for a back, they bully woman Wait there for Germany. My people, when I go watch the video later, I'll come back. I get a lot of videos to tell you now. You could actually learn. So join me later. God bless you guys. When they cut out small, this one go too long. Because why? The Murphy history of stealing in party, we still have a lot of proof, a lot of evidence tied here with us. You understand? Like case of video where I love it play now. We'll be see my friend face show. You understand? That then the both will fight where. That my friend will record that face show. So if I play that video now, the both you could go to saga that person. So that's why the one we don't if it's no show we carry for go down the look ground. And that one I feel play for now. So that's why they look who drive that comment just to see a part of 5 for the party. No a power so no ya react whatever. But like pipe or pala iri. A part of yebo. Palatak barak bado kyoyi. What understand? Oh God, usas loso. We have to make careful. See the kind of parable you go make. Oh, real stars. You don't believe? Yeah. Okay. You see, they say he paid $2,000 because he purposely. Okay. She don't believe €2,500. He purposely. Okay. Now they see comments. Hey, yeah. Eddie. Oh, wait a minute. Eddie Murphy no say me. Wait till I tell her the fat. I don't laugh for your head. You know wait till I talk. All you do. Don't play. Don't play. I are your boy. You collect body. If your skin not tight, you collect woto. Eddie Murphy no say the truth. I tell her. €10,500 to frame this matter. He go still go return the car. He go pay the guy the money where he pay for the car. So everything made a bring 10,500 call. If not, you cost a garden. But before they know what they happen, from Vita will they take money. From Vita will be scatter. Social media scatter. I scatter everything for the Murphy had. Biggie, while I don't come out, while I don't go join. No bribing and corruption. Say no to bribing and corruption. While I don't come out, while I don't win. The Murphy don't shop money. He pay you, Abby. He paid you. No, sorry. The Murphy sorry, don't cry. Don't cry. From Vita don't make you, brother. If from Vita don't make you, €10,500 I tell we are here, man. If from Vita don't tell you, life is there, you pay you. Sagade. If you so, don't play. See you guys later. Bye for now.